Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about your options for colors of vinyl windows. Here we go. So I've been asked many a time, hey, is the only color that you can get vinyl windows in white? And I ask, why do you ask that? And they say, well, because when we go to like Home Depot or Lowe's or whatever, we see the windows that are there and we're noticing that they're all white. Is that my only option? I said, well, no, it's not. You know, lucky for you, there's actually several options for colors. For the actual base colors here, I'll use Anlin samples. You'll have your regular white, which is what most people use, but then you'll have like tan, which is what we use for certain HOAs, the condominiums that they need to have like a tan window, so we'll use something like this, or an Adobe color. This is your base color. This is what the window comes extruded. So the frame, the vinyl, the locks, everything shows up, either the white, the Adobe, or the tan. If you are like, well, you know what, I want a white window, but my HOA requires I have a bronze exterior or a tan exterior, and it's like, okay, we have a cure for that. Also, with Anlin, you'll have 13 color choices. If you wanted the window to be white, but the exterior has to be bronze, well, there you go. If you want it black, same thing. If you wanted like a green window, there you go. You want this is called a divine wine. Here's a red pepper. There's all kinds of options you can get into, even gray. So like a nice classic gray, here you go. So this is all to make the windows look gorgeous on the outside of your house. So it's maybe your trimming, maybe your roof, something is making the window choice or the color decision a little more difficult than just a white window. So there's plenty of options. Milgard has the same thing. They have many different options. Pella has options. There's many window groups that'll have exterior paint. You don't want to just buy a white window, put it in your home, and then take some paint that you can get at Lowe's or Home Depot, like some bare paint, and then just roll that on your window. You're gonna mess up the windows big time because it's not made to deal with thermal heat, and it will take that vinyl and start to warp it. So X that out of your mind. It's not gonna work right. Anyways, from the manufacturer, plenty of options. Like I said, this is Anlin, but you can do many of options with other manufacturers as well, Milgards, etc., etc. Hopefully this answers some questions for you. If you have any other questions, you can always reach out to us. We'd be happy to help you. Thank you so much. Make it a great day. Hey guys, if you live in the Central Coast of California and are interested in a free estimate for windows and doors, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and request a quote there. Thank you so much. Guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to stay up to date on future videos coming, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel. Tons of information about windows come out every week.